Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. It is like 7:30 in the evening and the sun is starting to go down, sort of. It's just on this side of my house. It's starting to go down. So I hope you guys can see okay. I didn't want to turn the light on because of glare, so hopefully this will be fine. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you. Just hit the subscribe button. And I just want to get right into this one because I don't want it to take extremely long. So today I will be going through my Q3 goals, as well as my July goals. But before I get started, I just wanted to share with you all that I have a freebie out there on my Ko-Fi, and I think, is it coffee? Coffee, Ko-Fi. Is that supposed to be coffee? Because there's a little coffee cup icon next to it. I'm like, is that a play on coffee shop? Or is it Ko-Fi shop? If you know, let me know down below. Anyway, these are summertime freebie for $125. A back to school, and a do what you like. Of course, you know, school's always in session. Well, summertime, you can use it for whatever kind of fun and always do what you like. So you can download it for free. If you want to leave a donation, that's on you, but honestly, y'all, it's really just for free. Y'all do so much for me. I just wanted to offer something. So there's that. Also, I wanted to do a prayer. I know not everybody believes in God, but over here, me and my household, the household of one, I do. So let me just say a quick prayer. I saw it on Olivia B. Shepherd's channel or her IG, and I really liked it. So I just want to read it for all of us to have a good month. Like, pray over your month. Dear Lord, as we enter this new month of July, we ask for your divine guidance and strength to help us overcome the things that held us back last month. May your loving presence be with us as we face new challenges. Please give us the courage to let go of our past mistakes and the determination to move forward with faith and hope. May this month be filled with blessings and growth, and may we always remember to turn to you in times of need. Amen. All right, let's jump in. Okay, and we thank him in advance because he's gonna help us, right? Okay, so let's get to where my goals are. They're usually in the front after the vision board. So every quarter I try to review, look at my vision board and see if I'm like on task. I'm doing pretty good with saving and being very consistent with working out, and my YouTube channel. I have neglected the whole dating situation. I haven't completely decided if I wanted to do that. I've been reading my Bible, not as consistently as I like. I have been trying new skincare, but all of it has kind of just been breaking me out. So that has not been so successful. I have been able to do a few, like I did do the patio projects. So doing some projects in my house. I am grateful for everything I have in my life. I've been using my planner consistently. I have not traveled, but my friend did travel to me, so that to me counts. And sometimes the most productive thing you can do is rest. I know that's right. Okay. Those are our overall goals right there. This was Q2 because this is Q1. This was Q2, and here we are in Q3. So let me bring you guys in so you can see as I review them. I already wrote them in, so we're basically just going to go over them together. Q3, I do mine by goals, not goals, by values. I go to self-work school where Alex, therapist, she leads all of us, and we do weekly reviews and our planner things and reflections and all that. And her basis of her program is that you use your goals, your values to choose your goals. And so last month, my goals were health, spirituality, and simplicity, and I chose to keep them. I'm probably going to do the same thing next month, next quarter as well, unless something drastically changes. So for goal number 1 or value number 1 is health and self-care to work on creating more consistent habits. Some of the things under this goal, now keep in mind, these are like for the whole 3 months. That's why it looks like a lot. And then this is July, August, and September, dating/hosting and career. So here's where I'd put my results. Okay, let me give you all a close-up. So here's where all the results would go. In the little boxes is what I would be saying I completed for that month, so that when we do our quarterly review, I have one place to look. Because at the end of this quarter, I felt like I had to go all over the place, and I don't want to do that this time. We're learning what works for us. So anyway, back to this. Under health and self-care, get 6 to 8 hours of sleep, 5K to 10K steps, 3 to 7 days a week. My goal would be to do it every single day, but I'm just trying to give myself grace. Currently, I'm at 7,757 for the day. So I have already hit my goal for today. Yesterday was not like, today's the 2nd. Yesterday, the 1st was not it. Like, I wasn't even ready. I literally wrote all this today after work. I'd done some pre-planning, but I didn't get it in the book. We're talking too much again. Slow down on the snacking. Adding strength training. I don't know when that's going to be. Try new healthy recipes and add it to my recipe planner. I have a recipe planner that I've had from Happy Planner for years now, and there's not a one recipe in here, and that's ridiculous. So I will be trying to adding at least one in July, but the goal is to add a few throughout the quarter to that. Work on my appearance. And how you look matters to you, sis. So I know for some people, how they look don't matter. They don't care. For me, when I look good, I feel good. So even things like making sure my hair is done, my nails are done, whether there's press-ons or it's just a clear coat or it's just a color, making sure my eyelashes are done, whether it's mascara, eyeliner, whatever. Just little things, a pedicure, just feeling my best. Dressing nicely, not walking out my house crushed up. I need to work more on my appearance for me. All right. And then the reason I want to do it is to feel my healthiest and my best self inside and out. And possible rewards are 8 to 10 pound weights or new shoes or a new outfit or loungewear. So as far as goal number 2 or value number 2, that's going to be the value of spirituality, to have a closer relationship with God, because what is needed, and daily devotional. So my daily devotional is a part of that. Buying a new devotional, because I literally only have a couple of days left in the current one that I'm reading, which I love and will be linked down below. Finish reading Exodus. Last time I was like, oh, I really want to do like Bible study every single, so I'm just like making a general goal of getting past Exodus, because every time I try to read the Bible I get stuck in Exodus, and if y'all don't know, that's like the 2nd chapter, that's like the 2nd book of the Bible. It's crazy. So let's go. Seek God in everything, pray more. Why listen to the Perry's podcast, which I've done before, but I want to do a little bit more because I got stuck on Tim Ross's The Basement a lot last quarter, so I want to switch it up. And Bible flashcards, prayer board, and working on my prayer corner. And then I have one little extra dot empty to leave room. And then why I want to do it, to be able to hear from God and know it's Him, to be in a closer relationship with Him. And then rewards is the Ephesian books by Jackie Hill Perry. She has an Ephesian book and a Jude book and all these different books that she did as like a Bible study book that's just on that chapter. And I want to treat myself to it, but I really want to work on doing all the things. And the new devotional I'm buying is by her anyway, so I'm excited for that. I quite like her, if you haven't noticed. Okay, and then the last value or the goal is the value of simplicity and decluttering. So hanging the shower curtain in the master bathroom, my God, y'all, that thing has been on the to-do list from month to month to month. It's crazy. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's hanging a shower curtain. But I know for me, the block is I wanted to do so much in the bathroom. Like I wanted to put up a new mirror. I wanted new light fixtures. I wanted a new sink, like a new faucet. I wanted to paint so I have to let go sometimes that I don't need to do everything at once. I can just put up and use the things that I do have. I have the shower curtain now. I have the things that hold your soap and stuff, the tote things to go in the bathtub now. Why are they just sitting around? Put them up, and then you just do all the things as they go. That is my own mental block, so I'm making myself do this. Hang the shower curtains in the master bathroom, declutter the phone contacts, declutter my IG page, start the master closet, which I'm dreading, start decluttering the storage room, also dreading, and I need to also hang the bathroom. What are those things called? Totes? They're called something else. Bathroom caddies? Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. I have them, I bought them, they're just sitting there. Okay, and that I want to get, why would I like to do that? To live a more simple life surrounded by things and people that I love. And what do I get if I complete this task successfully? Is I get to save to fix up the master bathroom. Just like I was telling you, there's a lot of things I wanted to do in there, so I can start saving for that or start saving for the dining room. So that is my Q3 goals. So let's talk about our July goals for just July. July goals are 10 no spends, 5 to 10K of steps, 3 to 5 days a week. Or I should have said 3 to 7, 3 to 5 days a week per week. Okay, complete the July savings challenge. This is the July savings challenge that I'm doing with the ladies. It is one by Cashapp. It's one by Cashapp Budgets, SNC Budget Creations. Here's the low priority, which is 100, and a high priority, which is 500. I will be working on the low priority. Y'all know I have a lower budget to work with right now. If you want this challenge, please go ahead, and it's linked down below, y'all. If you are going to download and participate, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know who's doing it with me. Here on the screen are the ladies who are doing it with me. They will also be linked down below in one link, just one link, so you can watch a playlist and support them. We're all trying to get to the hashtag road to 2K, and we're just figuring it would be easier to do it together. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. That's such a cute challenge for July. So that's the challenge I'm trying to complete. Then I'm going to work on my sleep-wake schedule. Oh, I'm just trying to get to bed at a decent hour so I can get 6 to 8 hours of sleep, preferably 7 to 8, but everybody's got to start somewhere. And then I would like to slowly wake up like 15 to 30 minutes earlier each day so that I can make time to have more time to pray in the morning. I don't want to wake up and just thinking about rushing to work. I want to have time for me. And so then work on self-improvement. That is new for this month. And that's like right now, I told y'all I'm really into Ramit Sethi. I believe that is the correct pronunciation of his name. And honestly, it's kind of brought me down the road of, I'm in the budgeting community, and I'm so focused on I was so focused on the Dave Ramsey plan that I did not give myself the permission to learn about all these other different plans that are out there. So this quarter, I'm really focusing on learning about conscious spending and what that means. And then I might even bring y'all a video on what I've learned. Then I want to learn about the, 50-30-20 plan. There's a 70-20-10 plan. There's an 80-20 plan. And these are all different ways to budget. Did y'all know? Because I did not even know. And I was like, how am I a budgeter? And I don't know some of these things. So as I'm learning, I'll probably be putting out little short videos just to share with you guys what I'm learning so you can know too. If we're in this field, we should probably know a little bit about not just what we do, but what other people may be doing as well. And implementing, for me, a zero-based budget is always going to be a thing, but it doesn't mean that you can't combine. I'm all about combining. Y'all know I love a hybrid anything. I will do one thing one way and do something else the other way. If it works, it works. So I'm thinking I could have a conscious spending plan and also have it zero-based. I can all know where all my money's going anyway. So I don't know. It's opening up my mind to a lot of things. Anyway, let's continue. Tasks that need to get done: 6 to 8 hours of sleep, try a new podcast, read online courses, read some online courses, anything for growth. And when I say online courses, I mean I've signed up for free things that they send me links for. I've actually sat and read things on that, and it was absolutely free. So nothing that's going to cost money. Buy new devotional. I'm so excited for that. And work on my quarterly to-do list, which I basically just did. So, oh no, work on it as in try and get things done. I don't know why I said that, not write it. So then I have little thing to myself. Remember that starting off small does add up to good habits. Just try to be consistent and have discipline in the areas you are working on. All things in God's time. Remember to go to him for all things. And then I have 2 Bible verses that are for this month, and I will share those with you. The first one is Hebrews 12:11. All discipline for the moment seems not to be joyful, yet to those who have been trained by it yields the peaceful fruit of righteousness. And baby, I feel that. Trying to be disciplined is not fun, but once you get it, the peacefulness and fruitfulness and righteousness that you get from it is just amazing. And so then the last one is Zechariah 4:10. Do not despise these small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin. And y'all hear me say some version of that all the time, because I really believe God likes to see the small beginnings. So never scoff at your $5 that you put away, your $2 that you put away, because it really does add up. And God is happy to see you stewarding your money well. And I've already set up my habit tracker and started to track the things I'm tracking for the month are my no spends, my 5 to 10K steps, my daily devotional, whether I spent some time on personal growth, and my sleep, whether I got 6 to 8 hours or not. And here is my quarterly to-do list. So this, I'm going to add another page behind here. Just to have enough in case we need it. And then here's July. I'm all about the sweets, because what? July is going to be sweet, honey. And then this is my first spread for the month. And it's what? Sweets. It's all about the donuts. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy donuts. And that's kind of the same thing. All right, guys. So that is it for my goal. All right, guys. Well, we've made it this far. I'm so grateful for you. If you did make it this far, leave me a donut emoji. That would be kind of cute since we were just talking about donuts. And let me know, like I said, do you know about all those different kind of budgeting styles? Do you have goals for the quarter and then goals for the month? If so, what is one of your top goals for July that you'll be working on? Whether it's budgeting, personal, spiritual, whatever. Let me know down in the comments. Y'all know I like to talk to you. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, 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 ever. Proceed with kindness. Bye. Just hands. Love you, mean it, boy.